Russia kills the China chip threat theory. For months, one question has haunted Indian defense watchers. Are India's S-400 air defense systems and a future Su-57 deal secretly dependent on China? Now, Russia has dropped a critical announcement that could end this debate once and for all. Russia's big move: domestic microwave chips. Russia has officially confirmed that microwave microchips for the Su-57 fighter and the S-500 Prometheus air defense system will be produced domestically by the end of 2027. The announcement came from Sverdlovsk Oblast Governor Denis Pasler, who revealed that construction has begun on Russia's first-ever factory capable of full-cycle serial production of microwave microchips. This is not assembly. This is design, fabrication, testing, mass production, all inside Russia. Planned output: up to 2,000 silicon wafers per year. Why microwave chips matter in modern warfare? These are not ordinary chips. Microwave microchips operate between 300 MHz and 300 GHz and are the backbone of AESA radars, missile guidance systems, electronic warfare, satellite communications, high-speed battlefield data processing. At the heart of these systems are MMICs, monolithic microwave integrated circuits, often built on gallium arsenide (GaAs) substrates. These chips allow real-time radar tracking, signal decoding, pattern recognition, ultra-fast target engagement. Without them, no modern fighter or air defense system works. Su-57 and S-400 S-500, where these chips are used. Russia's Su-57 stealth fighter relies on the N036 Byelka AESA radar, which almost certainly uses advanced MMICs. On the air defense side, 96L6CP radar of S-350 Vityaz, 98L6 Yenisei radar used by S-500 and integrable with S-400. Yenisei radar, the game changer. The Yenisei is an S-band AESA radar with a massive 3x4 meter array, 600 km detection range, ability to track ballistic plus aerodynamic targets simultaneously, strong resistance to electronic warfare, low probability of intercept features. Although designed for the S-500, it can significantly upgrade S-400 batteries, improving missile guidance accuracy in dense EW environments. So was Russia dependent on China? Short answer: partially, but not the way headlines suggest. Yes, after Western sanctions in 2022, Russia's access to advanced semiconductor tools was restricted. In 2023-24, around 90% of Russia's microelectronics imports came from China. But here's the key detail most reports miss. Russia already produces MMICs domestically through firms like Microchips and ISTEC. The real dependency was not Chinese technology. It was Western components and manufacturing equipment, often routed via China and Hong Kong. Example: radar substrates like RO4003C laminates, originally US-made. PCB materials and niche electronic inputs sourced indirectly. China itself operates very few S-400 systems, making it unlikely that Beijing manufactures core radar electronics for them. In short, China acted more as a conduit, not the originator. What changes now? Everything. With full-cycle domestic MMIC production, Russia eliminates supply chain choke points, reduces sanction vulnerability, ends speculation about Chinese leverage over Russian weapons. And that brings us to India. Impact on India's S-400 and Su-57 plans. India currently operates 3 S-400 systems, with plans to induct up to 10. Local manufacturing of S-400 components is also under discussion. At the same time, HAL and Russia's UAC are in advanced talks for local Su-57 production in India. The big fear was this: would Indian systems become indirectly dependent on Chinese electronics? Based on current evidence, highly unlikely. Russia's MMIC push ensures stable long-term support for Indian systems, no China-linked electronic vulnerability, greater scope for localization and TOT. India's own semiconductor ambitions. India isn't standing still either. Under the India Semiconductor Mission, ISM, India is building advanced chip design capabilities. Ambitions reportedly extend to 3 nanometers nodes. More importantly, US-India joint fabs for GaN and SiC semiconductors are planned by 2029. These materials are critical for radars, missiles, and EW systems. Within a reasonable timeframe, India could manufacture key electronic components for S-400, Su-57, and even future indigenous systems like AMCA. Bottom line: the China chip threat narrative surrounding India's S-400 and Su-57 future is largely overstated. Russia's investment in full-cycle MMIC production secures its high-end weapon systems, protects Indian operators, and aligns perfectly with India's long-term semiconductor strategy. India's air defense and stealth future looks far more secure than critics suggest.